Hello guys, welcome to Psychology of Freedom. We are going to type this time si Alden Richards. Ang mga nag-request niyan sina user MZ5. Yan, ayan siya. And then si Rufia Yen. So silang dalawa yung nag-request kay Alden Richards. So for you guys, thank you so much for requesting. So ito na yung na-request nyo. We're going to type Alden Richards. So again, ang system na gagamitin natin, itong system ni CS Joseph, which is called the type grid. I-track natin kung ano yung cognitive functions niya, FITE user ba siya, or TIFE, SINE user ba siya, or SENI, interaction style niya, direct ba siya, or informative, responding ba siya, or initiating, movement ba siya, or control, and then yung temperament niya, abstract ba siya, or concrete, affiliative or pragmatic, systematic versus interest-based. So, in the end, dito sa type grid, i-eliminate natin yung ibang personality type until we can finally figure out kung sino siya among these 16 personality types. So, ayan. Start tayo sa video na to.
And a romance, we have Alden Richards and Miss Julia Montes.
Hello!
Welcome sa Lucky TV, sa aking vlog.
What's up mga Kalaki TV?
Ibang usapan, walang guesting na mas gwapo sa akin.
Basta busog pagkatapos.
Alden, may ipon ka naman, di ba? Parang gutom na gutom ka. Madami ka namang project, may
kasi-
endorsements, may pelikula.
Actually, si Luis, he is coming off as parang informative, di ba? Na parang kino-call out niya si Alden Richards na bakit kumakain na siya. Pero since si Alden Richards parang I can see this as a little bit of pragmatic. Kasi kung affiliative ka, 'di ba, parang medyo mag-hold back ka kasi baka ma-offend yung ibang tao. So, I think that can be a point of pragmatic pragmatic.
Kula ka.
Nung sinabi ba sa amin kay Luis na
Pwede na
mukbang
pala
daw,
simulan eh.
2 days ako naggutom. Hindi ako kumain 2 days para dito.
Hindi ako kumain ng 2 days, sarili niya experience, introverted sensing.
2 days ang gutom. Nagbaon ka daw? Ano yung dala mo?
Ito yung Kara Ingles, luto to ni Mama Ten, nung kasama ko yung assistant.
Yan ay
Para sang sinampalukang manok na merong gata.
sinampalukang manok na may gata.
Yes.
Okay.
Tama.
Tsaka baon mo talaga yan. Oo, may inihanda ako, hindi ka happy dito, nagdala ka ng sarili mo.
Bastusan pala dito.
Oo. Hindi naman, ito pa nag-budget pa ako nito.
Grabe nga yung
Oo.
kutsinilyo.
Kutsinilyo.
So, lahat kasi to gusto namin patikim kay Jules.
Lahat to gusto namin. So aware siya of what the collective wants. So extroverted intuition.
May gata din yun.
Wala.
Alam niyo ba yung masarap sa piyesta, yung menudo?
Kadiri.
Oo.
Yun kay Alden.
Ang solid. Sabi niya kadiri. Bakit kadiri yung menudo?
Parang childhood experience na umaten kami ng party. Tapos alam na alam ko pag niluluto siya, pag naaamoy ko may menudo dito, no? Walang kakain!
Seryoso?
Hindi, joke lang.
Ang question ni Luis, bakit kadiri daw yung menudo? He answered through a story, so informative, and then at the same time introverted sensing kasi kinukwento niya yung experience niya. Very SI, di ba?
Pero ayoko.
Ganun talaga.
Ikaw bro, nung nalaman mo yung project yung dalawa.
Ako, parang nung present kasi siya sa akin, Kuya Luis, sinabi na nila na umuuna si Jules.
Oo.
Talaga? Akala ko kasi kay Jules dati, masungit.
Di ba tanong ni Luis, ano naramdaman mo nung nalaman na magkakatrabaho kayo? He answered through a story nung nalaman ko, ganyan-ganyan. So, introverted sensing, then at the same time. So, informative. And then, manonotice nyo may pagka-movement siya. Diba? Galaw ng galaw yung kamay niya and focus sa speed. So, a little bit of movement.
Hindi siya basta-basta mag sa project. And na-appreciate ko kasi nung nakilala ko siya ng mas malalim, ang dami naming similarities eh.
Kagaya na.
Wala lang! Hindi, joke lang. Paras kami lang sa hirap. Breadwinner kami. Inuuna yung
Diba? May pagka-chaotic, ganyan ang mga movement types.
iba bago sarili, tapos seryoso sa trabaho.
Inuuna ang iba bago sarili. That's FETI, extroverted feeling, because it's not about me. It's not about It's not about how I feel, but it's about how other people feel. That's extroverted feeling.
So kaya for a project like this, pero parang ano ang pakiramdam na alam mo yung pinagmulan mo, tapos kailangan mong gulot ng isang karakter na sabi mo nga, kahit anong gusto niya, kaya niyang makuha.
I think kasi growing up in a, yung ganun yung buhay. Yung,
Ano ang pakiramdam? He answered through a story na naman. Growing up, experience, sarili na naman niya experience, di ba?
yes, in the environment and yung upbringing, you create certain daydreams eh. Nagde-daydream ka nung bata ka eh. 'Di ba? Na parang sometimes ako I get lost in my thoughts na what if yung
For sure, introverted sensor siya. It's all about his experience, his past experiences.
bahay namin 5 floors tapos
Tapos walang hagdan.
Sabi niya, what if yung bahay namin 5 floors? That's abstract. Diba? They are all about the what if. So he's looking like an intuitive.
tapos syempre nakakapanood tapos walang hagdan. Hindi, tapos parang nakakapanood ka ng mga movies. Ang pangarap ko kasi dati nung bata
Nakakapanood ka ng mga movies, that's introverted sensing.
ako, after ko mapanood yung Richie Rich,
Wow!
After ko mapanood yung Richie Rich, oh sorry. Introverted sensing ulit yon yung experience ko with this movie.
Asset yun. Okay.
sabi ko sana magkaroon din ako ng bahay, may theme park sa bahay. So siya yung ano ko, parang siya yung peg, siya yung item ko ng Marangyang Buhay. Tirit-tirit. So yun, parang ganun ko siya na-imagine. And then, naitabi ko pala siya, na-compartmentalize ko siya sa childhood ko. And then ngayon, nagagamit ko siya with these kinds of roles.
At
Na-compartmentalize ko sa mind ko. So, that's abstract.
least, hindi mo sa pag-ano, na paano ko sabihin ko na hindi mayap.
Check tayo na iba pang interview.
Magandang bagay talaga is that you have someone
Yes.
who guides you.
Yes. And yun din kasi yung natutunan ko sa lifetime na to kaya na if trusting people is very difficult.
Yes.
So, nag-initiate siya doon.
Pakahirap.
Yes.
Especially if these people earn something from you.
Yes.
So the real people who you can trust is the ones that wants to see you on top without gaining anything from you.
True.
He's talking about the motive ng ibang tao. What do other people want? Extroverted intuition. And kind of parang may pagka-systematic in a way na nakadevelop siya ng system on how to tell whether a person is real to him or not.
Yun
At ang hirap niyan.
ang hirap maghanap.
Especially kapag may pera ka.
Lalo yung money.
Yeah, oo. Di ba? Kapag nandun ka na, marami talagang
Maraming sa
close.
Yes. Like ikaw din, Kuya Pao, ako, I keep my circle small.
Yeah.
Nag-initiate ulit siya doon. I keep my circle small. So,
Ang natutunan ko din is never make yourself too available
Yes.
all the time. Sige, pag may bago kang na-meet, okay, pakipakita ka lang, pupuha ka dyan. Wag masyadong all out. Kasi especially those people na matagal na rin sa industry, diba? Not even the industry, but sa buhay natin. Magagaling na magbasa yan. Marunong na sila magbasa. So make sure you remain mysterious to them.
So, the way he's talking na ito yung parang approach ko pagka may bago kong nakilala, may pagka-systematic again. Yun nga, yung sistema niya of how he handles his circle and how he approaches yung parang pag may bago siyang nakikilalang tao. Yeah.
Interesting. Tama siya. Tama.
Dapat medyo may pang-mysterious ang konti.
Pero yung sa businesses mo, you have build and sell?
Yes, sinimulan ko last year. Sama ko tatay ko lang.
Sinimulan ko last year, so introverted sensing. This is what I did in the past.
Saan yun? Sorry, if I may ask. Laguna area.
Nakakuha tayo ng ilang properties doon. So we're developing it and then building and selling it.
And then, obvious naman, production. Very successful yung E-Heads
Yes, yes.
concert. What's next after yung sa production? Anong next mong plan?
So right now, ginagawa ko yung Myriad Esports Cup.
Okay.
I've also parang solidified a team
Okay.
for gaming.
Makikita mo siya, di ba? Parang galaw ng galaw yung kamay niya. He's really a movement type.
Hindi lang
May sarili kang team.
may sarili na akong team.
Okay.
I decided also to, kasi ganun ako Kuya Pao, when I venture into something, I make sure na lahat nagbe-benefit.
Okay.
Hindi yun pang akin lang. Gusto ko,
Lahat nagbe-benefit. Ibig sabihin parang from an NE standpoint, di ba? I want to give them what they want, di ba?
these people that I'm helping, may napapala din sila dito. Hindi lang
Correct.
sila
These people that I'm helping, extroverted feeling,
sumasahod dito. I like the streamers that I have now, eventually, I'm open to the possibility na eventually mawawala sila sa akin. Because
aware of the possibilities, that's extroverted sensing, and at the same time abstract.
they're up for a much bigger future.
Okay.
And that's what I'm helping. That's why I'm helping them now.
Correct.
Helping, extroverted feeling.
Nandito ako to give them direction. So that's their choice. If they want to stay with me, they want to go to further heights.
If they want to stay with me, or if they want to go otherwise, giving other people freedom of choice, that's for extroverted sensors.
So, ganun lang. I guess siguro yun din yung natututunan ko as I venture into this kind of business na you're never really working for yourself.
Correct.
You're working for these people to help them.
Okay.
To help them, always extroverted feelers. They always want to be in the position of being the helper or being the contributor to other people's lives.
Again, another selfless act.
True.
Siya,
Tapos
open na yan.
esports, mahilig ka maglaro.
So, restaurant din. di ba?
Sa restaurant, mga food
Mahilig lumaman.
franchise, mahilig ka lang. So, doon ka rin talaga nag-stay sa mga strengths mo.
Yes, Kuya Pao. And I guess also, yun din yung advice ko to everyone who's watching. Pera mo, always,
This is what I think. This is my advice.
keep in mind that that's your hard-earned money. If you're gonna venture into something, knowledge comes first than money.
Talking about it in a parang systematic way. Ito yung system niya when it comes to building business. Diba? Learning comes first. Tama? Knowledge comes first before money.
Tsaka, hindi mo ipagkakatiwala yung pera mo sa iba. And also, make sure na when you venture into something, alam mo yun by heart.
Okay.
Hindi yung dahil yun ang in. Kasi
Nakikiuso ka lang.
sinabi nito, malaki yung kita dito. Nabiktima na ako niya, di ba?
Correct.
Ang dami ng offer.
Nagbiktima niya ako niyan. Na-experience ko na yan. Introverted sensing.
Make sure na, like, yung knowledge, kapag presentan ka ng numbers, alam mo kung saan nanggagaling yan. At alam mo rin, because these people,
Very systematic yung approach niya, di ba?
lalo pag alam nilang may pera ka, syempre gusto nila, bigyan mo yung pera mo sa kanila.
Correct.
So sasabihin nila lahat ng beautiful.
Gusto nila, bigay mo yung pera nila. Bigay mo yung pera mo sa kanila. That's extroverted sensing. Awareness of what other people want.
Magagandang,
Mga
correct.
magagandang salita, parang bigay mo yung pera mo. Pero at the end of the day, dapat alam mo yung the other side of the coin.
Yeah. You have to do your assignment.
Do your assignment. Exactly. Diba? Kasi magiging ang ending niyan, magsisisihan lang kayo pag hindi nag-flourish.
Magsisisihan lang kayo, awareness of what will happen, extroverted intuition. And also, if I may add, may pagka-movement yon kasi focus siya sa process di ba? Process of building the business, getting it right in terms of kung ano yung proseso para hindi maging pangit yung outcome. So, movement. Ayan, check pa tayo ng iba pang videos.
Sa kamay.
Hindi mo maiwasan na yung mga sinasabi nila papasok sa ulo mo
Exactly.
Tapos makokontrol ka na. Pati yung pag-iisip mo, naku baka
Tapos, ang masakit pa doon, Miss Tony, that happens unconsciously. Hindi
Nag-initiate siya doon.
mo namamalayan. If you're not present, I mean, if hindi mo siya nakikita in a bigger picture,
Yung pag-iisip mo para na sa kanila.
Exactly.
Nawawala na yung totoong
Wala ka ng
decision mo.
identity.
Yes, ang decision
Wala ka ng identity. It happens unconsciously, abstract.
mo na matutuwa ba sila dito?
Gusto ba ng tao to?
Gusto ba ng tao to? Extroverted intuition, NE, optimistic NE, di ba? Nakita din natin optimistic FE. All about helping other people.
Popost ko tong picture na to. Ano kayang gusto ng tao? Yung parang
Hindi na yung gusto mo.
hindi na siya eh. I have to admit it. I'm a pleaser.
I'm a pleaser. This is what's true about me, introverted thinking.
Sobra, by all means. Sa work, how I handle my people. Kaya minsan pag may mga events
And then, di ba, in-initiate niya din yun.
or public gatherings, minsan yung sincerity and authenticity ko naki-question na parang ang plastiko daw.
Na-burnout ka ba?
Yes.
Kailan dumating yung burnout?
First time in my career during 2016 to 2017 nang medyo tumi 2018. In 3 months straight, tumutuhog po ako ng commercials. Yes, you're grateful, pero
Ito yung ginawa ko in the past, introverted sensing.
well, I'm sure to everyone who's watching us and also you, Miss Tony, I'm sure you have that feeling sometimes na is this the price I have to pay? Papatayin ko ba yung sarili
May
ko?
price. Lahat
Yes.
may price you have to pay.
I have to give that to Mr. Tubiera. Sabi ni Mr. T, parang ang labanan sa industriya natin ay hindi paramihan, kundi patagalan.
Yun ang pinakamahirap.
May pagka-extroverted thinking yon kasi he borrows yung thought ng ibang tao.
Madaling sumikat, mahirap ma-maintain.
Ma-maintain. Actually, yan ang I have to validate that statement kasi that happened to me.
That happened to me again. My own experiences, not about other people's experiences.
Nangyari yun.
Well, during the Aldab era, syempre after Philippine Arena and all the endorsements, the fame, the screaming fans, and of course, it's not gonna be always like that. I already knew. Darating at darating yung point na hindi na ako magiging ganun ka-relevant. And
What will happen in the future, extroverted intuition, and parang may pagka-introverted intuition nemesis yun. So parang it's becoming clear na kung ano talaga yung personality type niya.
hindi na kami magiging ganun ka-relevant ni Ming. Parang tayo, mapagbigay. Ang matiisin ang Capricorn hanggang kaya mo.
Matiisin, di ba? Introverted sensing, all about enduring.
Matiisin. Pero pag sumabog na,
So how do you deal with rumors?
already said my piece about this. It's not true. Wala pong katotohanan lahat. Wala po kaming anak. We never got married. We don't have
Love child.
a love child. But right now po, I'm at that a point na masaya po sila dun eh. Tatanggalin ko pa ba? Irarab ko pa ba sa mga buhay nila na wala nga, huwag kayong makulit. I'm not that kind of person. I
Extroverted intuition. Ayun yung gusto nila. Then I'll give you freedom to do it.
always support happiness of people.
But what are you tired hearing about?
Sa gender issue. Ganun din. Oh, tingin nyo ganun? Fine. Tingin nyo bading? Fine. Ang iniisip
Diba? Ang mga introverted thinkers and extroverted feelers, they're not that concerned about what other people think. Kasi TI users sila, introverted thinkers sila. Mas importante yung how I think than what other people think.
minsan pag may ganung mga rumors, wala na ba iba? Baka
Diba lahat ng, sa
La-
showbiz, pag lalaki,
So I think convinced na ako kung ano yung personality type niya. I think it's very clear na TIFE user siya, SINE user, isa siya sa mga Crusaders, which is NTPSFJ Quadra. I think madaming ito yung answer, di ba? Sa mga nag-comment. So, and then yung interaction style niya, informative initiating movement. He's one of the starter types. Temperament, abstract and systematic. So sabi natin, I mean, informative initiating movement, yan yung interaction style niya. So tanggal na yung iba. And then sabi natin, NTP, SFJ siya. So tanggal na yung ESFP and ENFP. It's a battle between ESFJ and ENTP. Pero alam natin yung temperament niya is abstract and systematic. Mas abstract siya kaysa sa concrete. So tanggal na yung ESFJ. So he can only be an ENTP, also known as the visionary. So Alden Richards is an ENTP. So interesting, ENTP, di ba sino mga personality type niya? Si Robert Downey Jr., which is na-mention niya before na parang gusto niya na actor. Even si Johnny Depp na sabi niya, nabanggit niya. So coincidentally, di ba, they are all ENTPs. So, ayan, si Alden Richards is an ENTP. And then si Maine, di ba, na-type na rin natin before, si Maine is an INFJ. They are called the, ano ba yung tawag sa relationship nila? The pedagogue type. Ano sila? Top 5 among the 16 types na most compatible. So they're both intuitives. So, ayan. So, sa mga nakakuha ng personality type ni Alden Richards, good job. Ayan. So, thank you for participating. Alden Richards is an ENTP. So, thank you so much. Hope you like this video and see you sa next video.